Welcome to the point class of LBallet. It's in the meantime already our lesson 16, and please be careful. It is not a purpose that you do the class only once. And for the teachers, with one lesson, you can fill 4 or 5 or 6 lessons. So we are going very quick to inform you about the progress, about what is coming after what, and how to divide the exercises, and which exercise is coming after which exercise. But you do need more time than only one time to do a class well. So you see, Isis, Sarah, Merel, Sanne, and Esme, her point shoes are with the shoemaker. Okay, there we go. 2 hands at the bar, starting in first position with the left leg. And it is battement tendu à la seconde, 2, 3, plié over the leg and point from the bottom of your hip and close. The same to the side. And plié, and up, and close. To the front, and in the front you can very nice pushing the heel and the inside forward and out, completely turned out and close. Other leg, plié, completely turning out. Go, relevé without a plié, going on point, and 2. And rolling down, stretched legs, rolling down and up. Only 3/4 point and up. Demi-plié and stretch again. 1, 2, 3. Be there, go down without pause. Again up, 3/4 foot up. Demi-plié, turn to the left. Stretching, stretching, holding the bar, relevé. Balance with your arms in first. First position. When you work on points, be careful not to be too near to the bar. Elbows are down. Please, Paul, in a 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Do you have your dance in your thighs? Left foot out. Plié. And stretch. And close. And out. Plié. And stretch. And close. To the front. Plié. And stretch. And closing. And 1. Plié and stretch. Without plié, going up 1 measure and stay. Go down full foot and again up. And 3/4 and up. Demi-plié again. Up and hold and go and up and 3/4 up. Demi-plié, turn to the left. 1, 2. Really forward. Holding 5. Rolling up and turning out. And 1, 2. Go with your head to the floor. Coming up. Hold the bar up. Arms first. Holding. Opening. Allongé. Hold your back. Plié. Yes. Okay. At home, be careful. If you have a very high instep, then it's not useful to push over, then you should not push over so much, but use the exercise to turn out more. In a plie, you know, the hips have more space to turn out, so then use it for that. Normally we could show it with the feet of Esme, but her point shoes are at the point shoemaker. Okay, we have pliés. 2 demi-pliés in first. The first one with the arm as usual, the other one with the arm through third for going on. Second, fourth, fifth, again back to first, and it is demi-plié, full point. Demi-plié, starting the demi-plié from the insides with the balls of the feet. Plié, can you show Isis? And go up, and now start it with the, in the insteps and the inside of your leg, and plié, yes. So you see the heels are earlier at the floor as the deepest point, so you are on the floor and going on with the demi-plié, but not lifting the heels. Then from your deepest point, you go with the soles of the feet, really up again. So we have demi-plié, going up, demi-plié, going up, then we hold stretched legs, going 3/4 foot and again up, and through demi-plié to second. Same, 1 and up, and 1, 2, 3, push yourself 3/4 foot, goes up, demi-plié, tendu, demi-plié, both legs under your bum, and up, demi-plié. Weight on the front leg, on the nose, and turn, and plié, tendu, and then the whole story from the top. Okay. Be there. Arm, open, grand plié, and 2, 3, arm comes from side to third, out, and up, going on, and fourth. To the side, out, demi-plié, relevé, demi-plié, relevé, fine, 3/4, and up again, demi-plié, tendu, and 3/4, there's no stop, demi-tendu, and fifth, both legs and up, one on your front leg, demi-plié, tendu, and we start again. Don't get rounded back, Hold your lumbar part. It's only in the leg.